Hey, what's up everybody? Brian here from T-sportline. Just a quick PSA on hitting curbs and blowing out tires on Teslas. It's a really common problem, and a lot of times people have damage like this. And you're gonna see it's cosmetic. The tire is fine, maybe a little bit of scuffing, but that's a safe situation. You can drive on this. We have touch-up paint, wheel touch-up paint, so you could touch this up, but no need to put a new tire on. Now, by comparison, this is what I would consider curb damage that is absolutely, positively very dangerous, and you must replace this tire immediately. One of the telltales on tire damage is when you can see the belts, which are, in this case, a Kevlar looking thread inside the tire. When those belts are compromised or torn, that is a strength part, a structural strength part of the tire that wraps all the way around. And when those are compromised, the tire's trash. No way around it. This needs to be replaced immediately. So when you have a bulge like this, even if it wouldn't have torn, then I would consider that those belts have been compromised. So bulges, clear sign, bad news, gotta change the tire. In this case, this one's trash, and we'll swap it out. Okay, everybody. Hope this helped explain some of the situations with blown out tires on Teslas. Take care.